Welcome to our channel MCQ1. In today's topic, we will going to cover top 30 cardiovascular system MCQ. So let's start the video. Which chamber of the heart has thicker muscular walls? Right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. The correct answer is option D, left ventricle. Which ECG lead is commonly used to monitor myocardial infarction? Lead 1, lead 2, lead 3, lead AVR. The correct answer is option B, lead 2. Which of the following is a short-term mechanism for regulating blood pressure? Renin-angiotensin system, vasopressin release, baroreceptor reflex, aldosterone secretion. The correct answer is option C, baroreceptor reflex. For blood clotting, fibrinogen is changed into fibrin with the help of thrombin, platelets, vitamin K, antithrombin. The correct answer is option A, thrombin. Which component in the blood acts as an anticoagulant? Fibrinogen, thrombin, globulin, heparin. The correct answer is option D, heparin. What is the normal pH value of human blood? 7.4, 7.2, 7.8, 6.6. The correct answer is option A. 7.4 is the normal pH value of human blood. Which structure is responsible for distributing electrical impulses throughout the heart? Pulmonary veins, atrioventricular AV node, Purkinje fibers, none of the above. The correct answer is option D, Purkinje fibers. Which of the following is the largest artery in the human body? Coronary arteries, pulmonary artery, aorta, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. Aorta is the largest artery in the human body. Which of the following minerals ions play the main role in blood clotting? Magnesium, sodium, calcium, potassium. The correct answer is option C. Calcium mineral ions play the main role in blood clotting. The condition where fatty deposits build up in the arteries and restrict blood flow is called hypertension, atherosclerosis, arrhythmia, ischemia. The correct answer is option B, atherosclerosis. The splenic artery is a branch of superior mesenteric artery, renal artery, inferior mesenteric artery, celiac trunk. The correct answer is option D. The splenic artery is a branch of celiac trunk. Which of the following hormones play a key role in long-term regulation of blood pressure? Adrenaline, insulin, aldosterone, glucagon. The correct answer is option C, aldosterone. What is the main function of red blood cells in the cardiovascular system? Fighting infection, filtering waste products, initiating blood clotting, carrying oxygen. The correct answer is option D, carrying oxygen. Which vessel carries oxygenated blood away from the heart to the rest of the body? Aorta, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, vena cava. The correct answer is option A, aorta. A winded QRS complex on an ECG can indicate atrial fibrillation, ventricular fibrillation, atrioventricular block, sinus bradycardia. The correct answer is option C. A winded QRS complex on an ECG can indicate atrioventricular block. The term hypertension refers to low blood pressure, normal blood pressure, high blood pressure, irregular heart rate? The correct answer is option C. The term hypertension refers to high blood pressure. What is the medical term for a pinched or compressed artery due to plaque buildup? Angina, atherosclerosis, embolism, none of these. The correct answer is option D, angina. Which valve prevents the backflow of blood from the aorta into the left ventricle? Mitral valve, tricuspid valve, aortic valve, pulmonary valve. The correct answer is option C, aortic valve. Which chamber of the heart receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs? Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. The correct answer is option B, left atrium. Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body? Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. The correct answer is option D. Left ventricle chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. What is the name of the condition where there is a blockage in one or more of the coronary arteries? Myocardial infarction, angina pectoris, atherosclerosis, cardiac tamponade. The correct answer is option A, myocardial infarction. Which of the following factors can increase the risk of developing deep vein thrombosis? Prolonged immobility, regular exercise, low blood pressure, high fiber diet. The correct answer is option A, prolonged immobility. Which valve separates the right atrium from the right ventricle? Mitral valve, tricuspid valve, aortic valve, pulmonary valve. The correct answer is option B, tricuspid valve. Which vessel supply oxygenated blood directly to the heart muscles? Coronary arteries, coronary veins, aorta, pulmonary arteries. The correct answer is option A, coronary arteries. The medical term for a rapid, irregular and ineffective heart rhythm is called ventricular fibrillation, atrial flutter, ventricular tachycardia, sinus bradycardia. The correct answer is option A. The medical term for a rapid, irregular and ineffective heart rhythm is called ventricular fibrillation. Which type of blood vessel has the thinnest wall, facilitating exchange of gases, nutrients and waste between blood and tissues? Arteries, veins, capillaries, venules. The correct answer is option C, capillaries. Coronary arteries originate from which major blood vessel? Aorta, pulmonary artery, vena cava, coronary sinus. The correct answer is option A. Coronary arteries originate from aorta. The medical term for a condition characterized by inflammation of the pericardium is myocarditis, endocarditis, pericarditis, none of these. The correct answer is option C. The medical term for a condition characterized by inflammation of the pericardium is called pericarditis. Where is the sinoatrial SA node located in the heart? Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. The correct answer is option A. The sinoatrial SA node is located in the right atrium of the heart. Which of the following is a mechanism used by the body to decrease blood pressure? Increase heart rate, constriction of blood vessel, release of renin, vasodilation. The correct answer is option D, vasodilation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQs 1 for latest informative MCQ.